Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Hexagon off campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is for software engineer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the job or the work location is Hyderabad, and the salary or the CTC, it is 6 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So any bachelors of engineering, so any graduates with any streams are eligible to apply, and you need to have working knowledge of 0 to 2 years of experience either in Python or Java or C# is preferred. So and you need to be a good team player as well as good communication and interpersonal skills is needed. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for this particular job role. So you need to have programming knowledge in either Python or Java or C#, and good understanding of object-oriented programming and knowledge of UI, that is user interfaces. And apart from that, you need to have good understanding of database concepts and SQL language. And one should have the knowledge on automation tools like Coded UI, Selenium or any other tool with Python is preferred. So these are the technical skills that are needed for this particular job role. So the next thing is the different job responsibilities. So one should involve in development from the design phase or coding phase till the testing of the code, and one should be able to understand the product code, and you need to report the unit test and ATP's coverage, and one should work closely with the Scrum team as well as QA member for the implementation being done in the product. So these are the overall job responsibilities. So then coming to the selection process, the first round, it's an online aptitude test. So once you clear that, there will be a technical round which is followed by HR round. So these are the rounds included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, first step is you need to enter your email. So later you will get an link for the particular mail you will get an link, so to which you can just apply. So you can just fill all your details, upload your updated resume and submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.